Good morning everyone. We are at the camping site at Åkrestrømmen. We are now heading south on Euro Trail section 2 towards the Swedish border. Very lucky with the weather also today. So we have just packed down our equipment and ready for the ride towards the Swedish border. We cannot enter the Sweden because of the coronavirus. So we have to stay within the Norwegian border, but we will travel along the border southwards. And then start section 1 of Euro Trail Norway. Yes, Paul is cutting some trees, laying in the trail to keep it easier for people who follow later to pass this trail. Good job, Paul!
Nå er jeg så lav på blodsukker.
Jaha.
Ja. Veldig lite kjøling. Det var jo for at han kunne.
Ja. have had a great ride, and we have ended up here at Halsjøen and a place called Kompassen, a very beautiful place. And now we are having our dinner, and we have enjoyed a swim in the lake, which holds a temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius, which is very rarely at the west coast of Norway, where the normal sea temperature is below 20 degrees Celsius. So it's like Spain or Portugal or something like that. Tomorrow we are going to start with Euro Trail Norway section 1, which goes from the Swedish border and up to Blåhø, where we started the Euro Trail Norway trip. See you in the next video.